that it will save the time. Okay, this one next. Go to braid another ring. Ring correction. So put here. Wrap and fold it. So if friends are interested to get the copper wire, please feel free to check my first video. We make a black correction for this tutorial. Thank you. String the beads in here. And again, this one. Here. Thank you. And this one here. 2mm beads. Okay, shoe as the ring on your finger. Okay, winger ring, this one. It's a winger shape ring. And this adjustable ring, and this double lined ring here. So we are making another black and gold. We are show you how to make it, and I'm a shop that sell the beads and sell the wire, so people can buy the supplies here, and you come to my live stream here, I show you how to make here this. Fold. Are you making that ring right now? Yes, I just make this one and this one and this one. We make it last week, and now we are making another. We are make a tutorial sample here one by one. Here, braided is a braid ring here. This one. Check. Here. And come. I'm a shop not sell the ready-made. I'm a shop sell the supplies for jewelry making. So people can buy the materials and making the jewelry by yourself. I teach the skill, then people can make a jewelry or get a lot of fun during you do handmade. Here. 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 So braid it. Here. Okay, cross the wire. Then we go to wrap the wire here. Wrap the wire 2 times. Okay, cut. And let's see if make a ring in size 9. Lock the 2 wires, string the loop. Go through to string the loop. Here, this way. Cut. Here. And we wrap. Wrap. And wrap. And wrap. Okay. Can't keep my eyes 6. So lock it. Okay. Then it's a 9 size 9 ring. So this ring, this ring, this. Then we continue black with the gold.